Let's talk about the beautiful balance of the universe. The word, I speak, I create, abracadabra. So these are the 12 notes of creation. So 7 solfeggio notes, and then their second harmonic, I believe, or what the other 5 are called. But 12, the 12 gates to the temple, the 12 tribes, the 12 everything. It's a 12ness, right? So these are the notes. These are the frequencies played in correlation, and this is the cymatic that it produces. I love this one because it also shows like the ruling planet as well. What you'll notice is that they all have like a twin or a second, like an F and F sharp. You know, those are both ruled by Saturn. You know, that's played within the triangle, the 720 degrees. You play that frequency within these, and they create these patterns of cymatics in the universe. What doesn't have a double is A and D. You have Jupiter for A, the moon for D. So the moon being your emotions, you know, your mother. A, creation, the father, Jupiter. Jupiter is, what is Jupiter, right? Well, Jupiter is also known as Zeus. So whenever they needed a name for their book, this is what happened with the J that most people I don't think really understand. This is what, you know, the whole, it wasn't invented yet and it's this or that. It's as simple as this. Jupiter or Zeus, well, let's meet you in the middle and let's do Jesus. That's Jupiter Zeus. This is the sun. Okay, so A, creation. A, the RAM, arise. Random access memory, alpha, your head, Godhead. D is the moon, your emotions, your mother, what you go back to. It's so what creates you is what destroys you. So D is the ending of that tumble, that torus field is destruction, devastating, devour. It is the consumption. It is the Pac-Man, the moon, eating souls. The 3, the 6, the 9. It is the snake eating its tail. That is the ending. It's also the rebirth. That's what 9, that divine is. It's the ending, but the beginning. It's everything but nothing. What's awesome here is that, look at the Hertz frequencies to create these cymatics. So for A, the very first one is 108 Hertz. Well, the first thing I'm drawn to is the moon. The metal tied to the moon is silver. Silver's atomic weight is 108. So in order to create, you play it's the opposite is the connection I'm making here. So the moon connect, that's how so it's everything is about balance. It's not just about one thing or another. This is cosmic law, cosmic creation, and it's beautiful, right? So you go to D. What's the first one on D? 144. Obviously, that's A. That's going 144 saved. It's 9. It's divine. But it's the opposite. So this is what I'm just trying to show. Is everything has a duality somehow. So yes, Saturn can be negative. But it can also teach you the lessons you need to learn in order for you to become the phoenix and grow. So, you know, a lot of people don't think about that. You know, not a lot of people even know the whole Saturn and Satan and the connection there. But if you do, I ask you just, you know, when you look at your chart and your placements and your lessons that you go through, yes, it's Father Time. It's this, he's, you know, Grim Reaper, the soul. It's Kronos. You know, you're born of time, you die of time. But what's really important to know here is, what if you didn't have those lessons? Who would you be? If I didn't have those lessons, who would I be? And just think about it, like, without that, go back, you might just be living a menial life, decent life, but never ascending in consciousness. And if that is your purpose here, if that is your soul's journey, what Saturn allows you to do is go through that hardship that you needed to go through in order to evolve your conscious mind, to become a new person, to shed your old skin just like the snake, or to rise up out of the ashes like the phoenix. which is what the Scorpio does. The scorpion, you know, the Kundalini energy at the bottom of your root. I desire, I desire, I desire. You overcome that earthly desire and you rise. Rise to the Ram, to source. It's all about duality and balance. And it's a beautiful, beautiful thing.